Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is the 16th day of November 2014, and I want to show you a little bit more of this pattern. And I'll keep my cool today, I promise. But anyways, I showed you this yesterday in the video, and I got a few more things I want to bring up at this area that are up here. I think they're from last year, pretty much from last year. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. I don't think they're this far up here, but we can check some of that stuff too. I want to go down here where, let's see, past this folder a little further. I want to look at this first. This Copernicus this is probably from almost 2 years ago. Huh, that's interesting. That looks pretty cool. Let's dig in a little deeper here. Turn off the borders. Huh. I see this top. I see that pretty. There's something there, and that's right at Yellowstone. Right at Yellowstone, right there. That has to be right at Yellowstone. That Copernicus, where that falls. That's pretty interesting. And that's about this. That would be about the size of the magma chamber, I would think. Right about there. Look. Oh, man, that is right there. Let's see. Right, straight across from right here. So it's like, oh yeah, that's right at Yellowstone. Copernicus, right there at Yellowstone. I never even thought to put that there. It may not go there, but I'm just saying it's something. Those are the things I look out for. You know, when something falls right over a major geologic structure, or whatever you want to call it, you got to pay attention to that and dig in a little deeper, I think. Okay, so this is an older one that's from the same area. I just wanted to show you that. And we often see this Copernicus pattern up above over here, a little bit further east. That big round polar vortex, they call it. They call it a polar vortex, but it's actually it's actually from this. That's what creates the circular pattern of that polar vortex. Call it whatever you want. All right, so let's go on to the next thing. You know, all these untitled ones, it's just, I'm just lazy. I don't title them, but you know, I just keep going. And these are from, like I said, I haven't brought these ones up yet. I brought some other ones yesterday and I made a video, but I wasn't too happy with it. I kind of went overboard on the length. So let's just check some of this stuff out. Oh, hold on. I think I unchecked it though. Wow. Okay, here we go. I know what this probably is. Or maybe. Yeah, that's what I thought it was. See, like these points where you see like these craters. This is a drawing of the lunar or the the nearest the Earth-facing side, Copernicus, and you want to look at those little spots like right there. You see that crater, and you see like something in the center of that going outwards. You kind of see something right there. And you know how they said like during the Ice Age there was it was just the northern part of North America, that was a mile under ice. It wasn't the whole thing, or maybe it was. I don't know. But the way they make it sound, it seems like it was just the north, up here higher in the northern part of North America that was frozen. And you can see there's like a line right there. Probably was about to right here, somewhere around here. Okay, so let's turn that off. Keep going. Now I don't know where these other ones are. They might be some other day or something, doing something else. So I'm not really sure. I don't want to keep going through ones that aren't relevant. can see there was something there that was getting my attention. But here, let's just go down here. Oh wait, one more. Ooh, I remember this one. That's different though. That's not going to be right. See, that's not right. Thought it was when I put it down, but now we got it right. Okay, so China, not this China. Damn it! Oh, it's this one. Yeah, China. Look at this. Bring this up and watch how it fits. Okay, watch. Now, I don't know if you've ever heard this before, like in the How the Earth Was Made, the documentary, they talk about the one, a couple of them actually, but the Grand Canyon one, the guy standing at the bottom of the Grand Canyon, he says, there used to be mountains here as tall as the modern day Himalayas. Yeah, there may have been. There might have been. Because you see the Himalayan curve right there. There's the Himalayan curve. It fits right in there. Okay. And then you got right here, I've showed Schrodinger here a few times, at least in videos, but I've put it here many times. And I'll show it to you there in a minute. Look at that. That's the same thing. Now, don't ask me how the continents could have been layered, because I don't know. It almost seems impossible that could be the case, and I know that the moon couldn't hit and leave that same print everywhere. It's got to be something to do with the continents splitting apart and just holding that pattern or something. I'm not a geologist that could explain that, and I don't know if there are any. Well, I'm sure there are some that could explain it, but a lot of them probably would just say it's just not possible or something. Here's Copernicus. Boom, right there. Look at Copernicus, or not Copernicus, but Imbrium right here. And then it comes down. This is the same shape as South America right here. So you could probably take this part of South America. There's part of South America that has a Schrodinger print in it too. We're going to see it right now, I think. Let me turn something on down here. It's somewhere like this, right there. That's the one I showed the other day over this area of the perfect finally one right here. Okay, we see where that falls. The bright spot, see that? With Schrodinger right in the circular pattern. This is a for sure right here. There's no doubt about this Schrodinger one being here. I mean, and then Mare Oriental as well. Shows in this spot. Clear as day. Proves itself. Absolutely proves something. That either it's happened or they're making shit up to make it look like it happened. I don't know. I wouldn't put that past anything either. You know how I am. I don't believe anything really. Not much anything. Unless there's a way to, like I said yesterday, they couldn't make something so I don't know. I guess they could. It's possible. Anything's possible. Anything is possible. Today it is. Yesterday it wasn't. No, I'm just joking. Okay, so anyways, there's a Schrodinger right there, and bring up the other one. Oh, it's already up there. Let me turn this one off. And you can see the Schrodinger circular pattern there. We know it's up here in Russia, right up here. It shows itself right here in Russia, where I showed it before. Moscow, remember that video? Right, it's pretty close to that area. And you've seen the Asia video, probably, where I put it over Asia. Pretty interesting. Anyways, let me see if I got any other ones from the past. Oh yeah, I had one more I wanted to show with this. Okay, so let's see. I had this perfect Copernicus. Okay, so I want to show you how I had, where I had it last year. I had, you see India right here, right, and you see Thailand right here, and I had it lined up like this. Not to this picture of the moon. The moon. This I just put this moon picture up. I don't know, last week. Oh, that fits there pretty good, actually. Something like that. But anyways, what I did is I noticed I wanted to put it like I had it in the last week's video where I had it over around Schrodinger like this. Let me show you. Like this. I think it was like this. I wanted to put it like this, like I showed last week. How I put it around this like this, but it kind of showed me something different when I was up there doing the other things with. I got to bring up this one again to do it. Okay, so let me bring that one up of India again. Oh, okay, here we go. It's in this one too. I did it in this one. Right here, you see this area? That right there is Thailand and all that. You see the shape in the weather? This area right here, you can kind of see the outline of Thailand, Vietnam, and all that stuff right there. It fits right in that spot. You can see how it fits right in that spot. And then this right here was over this area right here, and then right in the center, it looks like Yellowstone again, and Copernicus right in this spot again. We could bring up Copernicus. It'd be real close to the center of this spot, and I'm going to do that. I think actually Schrodinger. It's hard to figure out because it leaves this area that looks like Schrodinger hits clearly in there, but you see this round area right next to it that looks like Schrodinger as well, and it kind of throws you off. It throws me off anyway. You know, it makes me think that, I don't know, things moved around right in the area, just kind of stayed connected to the Earth or something. Let's see, I'm going to go back up here and bring that Copernicus one back up, I guess. That seemed like it would be kind of cool to see. It fits in there. Oh, it wasn't here. Oh, yeah, I'll turn it up. Oh, it's pretty close. See, even see India over here or something like the coast. It might be just a little off from the picture, or a different impact. You know. Oh, look at this. That's pretty good right there. See, in Sailor Moon, they have this one musical where they talk about this island of Kaguya or whatever, which was like near Sumatra or something, and this is like near Sumatra, and they talk about the moon interfering with this comet or something, this comet called Koti or something, and they talk about how it interferes with it gets in between this comet and saves the Earth from total destruction or something. I don't know. It's kind of weird. It doesn't really fit with the moon hitting the Earth, but it does. There's little thick parts of it that I mean, they're trying to tell you something, and I haven't figured out exactly what it is, but they are. I figured out some things. You know, in this area, there's definitely something that happened in this area. We can see that on the Earth just by looking at it without anything. For sure, something happened in this spot right here. I'd say the moon got in between the Earth and the comet. There's a big round area right there, big perfectly, and then this is like an edge of another round area right here, and this is like a center of it, like here, and then you got Schrodinger here, and you got it up here, and you got it over here, all over the place. So something sure did happen with the moon. That's all I got to say today, I guess. I don't want to go too far, too long. Just want to show you those other overlays with it. Have a great day. If I find more good stuff, I'll bring it up later.